Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to delete group chat on Messenger. Open up the Messenger app. Then click to open a group chat here. Hit the eye icon from the upper right corner. Scroll down to Chat Info. Click on See Members. You can see the group members in here. Click on any member profile. Then remove the member from group chat. Repeat the step with all the group members. Go back to Setting. Scroll down to Leave Chat. Click on Leave Chat to delete the account from you. As you can see, now you don't have the group. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.